welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making Vegetable Yaki Udon. This stir-fried chewy udon is a quick, delicious, and healthy meal that comes together in just 15 minutes. Slice the green onion, carrot, and eggplant into thin strips. You can substitute these vegetables with your favorites like onions, bell peppers, bok choy, spinach, napa cabbage, or others. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the sliced vegetables and stir fry. Add salt and 2 tablespoons of water to the pan. Cover and steam for 5 to 6 minutes on low heat until the vegetables are tender. While the vegetables are steaming, cook the udon noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. You can use dry, frozen, or fresh udon noodles for this dish, whatever you've got in the pantry. Once the vegetables are tender, open the lid and add the cooked udon noodles, mirin, and soy sauce. Stir fry on medium heat, mixing everything well until the noodles are evenly coated. If the flavor is too light, feel free to add more soy sauce to taste. Once everything is combined, serve the vegetable yaki udon and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this tasty veggie-packed yaki udon. If you are in the mood for a warm bowl of noodles, vegan udon soup is a perfect choice. This simple udon soup is light yet flavorful, made with a vegan broth of kombu dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. Just cook your udon noodles, pour the hot broth over them, and finish with your favorite toppings like green onions, wakame, and fried tofu. You can also use the same udon soup as a dipping sauce for a cold noodle dish. It's a simple and delicious way to stay cool on hot days.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.